Imagine a small Italian town in the 1940s where a humble street dog named Fido captured the hearts of all. After being rescued by a worker named Carlo Soriani, Fido waited at the bus stop every evening for his owner to return from work. Even after Carlo's sudden passing in 1943, Fido returned daily for 14 years, hoping for his friend's arrival. Locals marveled at his unwavering devotion, and Fido became a symbol of loyalty throughout Italy. A statue still stands in his honor, reminding us of the unbreakable bond between humans and dogs.